How to use reports and insights for better sales conversions. Reports are very effective when it comes to finding out how you are progressing with respect to your sales goals. Reports help answer questions like, what does my sales performance for this month look like? Or, how many new clients have your business acquired this month? Click on Reports on the main menu bar. Here, you will find a few predefined reports. Click on Click New Report. You can also create custom reports specific to your requirements by selecting relevant filters. You can create one-dimensional or multi-dimensional reports by selecting the fields in report type. You can create custom reports on entities such as prospect, deal, call log, task, and company. You can view the reports in the form of bar charts, pie chart, or table. You can select multiple dimensions such as deal size, owner, or number of deals by pipeline stages and apply the metrics you want to evaluate. You can also choose more than one metric and multiple filters to get a detailed understanding of the information in one go. Let's create a multi-dimensional report, now called Test Report. Select Report Type as multi-dimensional, Report Description as optional. Select the entity type as deal, chart type as bar, date range as last quarter. Choose owner and pipeline stage as dimensions, metrics as number of deals, and choose a pipeline in filters. Click Generate Preview to view the preview of the data. This report will show you the deals that are assigned to various users and their pipeline stages in one go for the deals created over the last quarter. Click Save or Save As to save the report.